Welcome to Key Fobs and Cars. Today we'll be changing the fob battery on our Ram 1500, and all we'll need for this is replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box below, and a small flat tip screwdriver. First thing we'll need to do is remove our emergency key at this end here, and to do that we will push that silver button and we will remove our emergency key, set it aside. We will go button side down, and then we are looking for two little openings. There's one right there, and there's one right there. We will put in our small flat tip screwdriver, give it a little twist and push up. We'll find the one on this side, do the same. Now we'll remove our cover, and then we will take our screwdriver and we will remove our old battery like that. We will take our new battery, we will go positive side up, and we will slide it underneath this spot here and push down like that. We'll snap our cover back into place. And there you go. If that was a help, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Thank you.